Hi again. We've just finished jointing a chicken, and now I'm going to show you a quick, easy stock for the carcass of the chicken. So I have put all my chicken pieces in a pot already, which you can see here. It's the carcass, it's the bones from the thighs, it's the skin, it's the ends of the chicken wings. They've all been washed, so there's no blood remaining on there, and it's all in the pot now. So what goes into the pot with it? We have some onion and some garlic first of all. So really easy. You don't need to worry about how well it's chopped or clean. It's just about getting the flavors from the vegetables into the pot. Fortunately, the iPad is timed out. And then you just want to really roughly chop the onion. That goes in, that goes in. And then just a couple of cloves of garlic. So the easiest way I find to peel garlic is the whole clove and just bash it with the wide part of your knife, breaks its heart, and then really easy is to just peel off the skin and put it in your pot. Next we want our base vegetables, which are basically carrot. I've got a couple of carrots here from the fridge. Again, no need to peel, just roughly chop them. These are organic and washed, so you do want to give them a good wash when you get your carrots. I think I'll put in this little one, he won't last much longer. Quite roughly chopped, and some celery. I'm just going to use one celery stalk because I find celery quite a powerful flavour. You always want to wash your celery when you break it off, because it grows through the earth, so there's always a little bit of earth in there. I'm just going to give it a quick rinse under the tap. Okay, so I've given the celery a good wash, and then again I'm just going to cut off the ends because I don't want them, and roughly chop the celery, and that goes into the pot. Along into the pot we have some peppercorns, just a little handful, about that many, into the pot. I have some bay leaves, and I'll probably put just one in. And then I have some fresh thyme. Put a few of these stalks. This is fresh but not the freshest, so I'm just going to find a few stalks that still look green and nice. The brown ones can go away. A few stalks of nice thyme. And then the perfect thing for using parsley stalks. Normally I wouldn't use parsley stalks for anything, but the one thing they are useful for are for flavouring in stocks and soups. So this is where I put my parsley stalks. But if you're ever putting parsley in a salad or at the end as a garnish, I would generally discard the stalks because they give it quite a bitter flavour. So, and I'll save the leaves for a bit later on. There, and that is already just a pot of chicken and vegetables and herbs. And then this pot I'll cover with water so that it's fully covered, bring it up to the boil, and then as it starts to boil it'll get sort of white stuff on the top. You want to skim that off as it's going, top it up with water and simmer it for about 3 to 4 hours, and that'll get the flavours really nice. And once then you want to let it cool, and once it's cooled you can strain it into a pot. let it sit, and any fat that's left will rise to the top. You want to take that off, and then if the flavour's not quite there, you can reduce it again once you've taken the fat off. Otherwise, put it in the fridge, and hopefully by the next day you'll have a really nice, it'll go all gelatinous and really tasty homemade chicken stock. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching.